guys, strangers, friends, hello. It's been a minute, so here I am. My name is Samantha Riley. I'm here to do a FabFitFun fall unboxing. I do this every season. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know. It's been a minute since I've uploaded a video, so hello, welcome back to me. You might see some cats running around in the background because they are just needy today. They are everywhere. Anyway, so today I am going to do this unboxing. I have partnered with FabFitFun as I do every season to bring you this amazing box. It is my favorite unboxing to do. Each box is worth over $200 with a cost of only $49.99, but you can get $10 off your first box if you use coupon Samantha10. I will put that in the description bar for you guys if you are interested. Just click the link and it'll bring you over to FabFitFun's website so you can check it out if after I unbox this you guys are interested. So I'm going to get into it. I'm so excited. I haven't seen any spoilers. There was some customization here. I answered some questions, so I'm excited to see what's in here. So this is what the box looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. This color scheme is my life. I love it. I love hearts. I have heart tattoos. You know, I'm that girl. Yeah. This box is available in the US and Canada. It would help if I actually opened it so I can show you guys what's in here. This box is full of fashion, lifestyle, beauty, just overall amazing goodies. Yeah, full-size products. Who's this? She is pretty. Excited to see what female-based companies, like female-owned companies, are in here because FabFitFun always works with a lot. Ooh, the first thing I see in here is something from Bobble Bar and their ear crawlers. All right, seriously, I love ear crawlers, so this like tickles my fancy. Let me gotta get the magazine out. Let's see what it is. So this is from Bobble Bar. I love ear crawlers. Oh, they're so pretty. I always wear them just going up my ear. They're so pretty. I can't wait to wear those. My current earrings in are screwbacks, so it would take me a while to get them out. So I'm not going to try these on, but really pretty. I mean, they're going to be nice just going on my earlobes. Ooh, alright. So that's the first product. Okay, so these earrings from Bobble Bar are worth $34. They're called Bobble Bar Farah Ear Crawlers. They're really pretty. It says, from the intricate embellishments to the modern silhouette, these earrings are absolute showstoppers. I usually don't see the jewelry until like the end of the box, so I'm excited that I got to see it at the beginning of the box. The next thing I see in here is from Avita, Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So let's see what this is. Okay, this is worth $30. And this is infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repairs and protects your hair from heat styling. Alright. Yeah, I've been using a lot of, you know, heat styling protectants. I mean, I only blow my hair out like twice a week, but like I stopped dyeing it. Do you see? Like all the dye, like the last time I balayaged my hair was last year, and that's all the way down here. So all you see here is all natural. I stopped using, you know, dye and stuff like that in my hair. So this would be really great for when I actually curl it and blow it out. All right. So this next thing, this bottle, I just have to grab. Human Plus Kind, or Human and Kind, skincare with a conscience. Oh, okay. So this is a body souffle. Let's check this out. You know, this is protected. It's protecting me against me. All right. Let's see. Ooh, it's really citrusy. Oh, I like that. It's got like a perfume to it as well. Let's see what this is worth. This is worth $18. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. I'm always looking for a good body butter. I exclusively use one body butter, and it's super expensive. I love it, but it's super expensive. So I'm always looking for something new to try. So this is a whipped for ultimate in kindness. All right, so that's the next product. What do we see after this? What do we see after this? Exfoliating sugar cubes. Oh, I thought this was gonna be candy. This is Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes in cleansed juices. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower. Let's see, all while leaving a yummy scent. This is $16. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells like melony, I don't know, something melonish. Oh my gosh, let me touch them. Ooh, there. Oh my god, I want to eat them. They feel like candies. Oh, that could be dangerous. You know, nowadays the way people like to eat things they shouldn't. But these are really good. They smell really, really good. I am excited to use them. And they're worth what? 16 bucks. I don't know if I said that already. After Spa hair towel. Oh, I love these things. I have a million of these in my house. I love, 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 love them. They're like hair turbans. When you come out and you wrap your hair when you get out of the shower. Let's see what it's worth. This is worth $18. It's designed with an elastic loop and a button for comfortably dry and hold your hair up. I love that because I'm the type of person, when I get out of the shower, I stay in my towel or in a robe for like an hour because I like to relax. More often than not, I shower at night because if I shower in the morning, I have to get up and go and I can't just like relax in my towel. There is nothing nicer than relaxing with one of these little puppies on your head in a robe, laying in clean sheets. It's godly. I love it. Oof. All right. So the next thing I see in here, what is this? Is this, I see Kate Spade. What are you, Kate Spade? Kate Spade lunch totes. I love lunch and I love Kate Spade. This is worth $30. Ditch the paper bag for this cute lunch box. That's amazing. Oh, I only have one lunch box too. This is so cute. Oh, this is perfection. Oh, it says help to lunch on it. This is perfection because back in June I joined Weight Watchers, so I'm really, really conscious of packing my lunches and bringing all the food with me every day, so I'm not tempted to like eat things I shouldn't. So this is awesome. It's beautifully insulated. This is great. And I like that it's square because a lot of my Tupperware is square. Oh, that's great. Awesome. I love it when I get things that really, really fit my lifestyle. That's what FabFitFun is awesome for. Okay, I see a couple more things in here. Something from Aromatherapy Associates London, Deep Relax Rollerball. Let's see what this is about. Let's see, this is worth $29. Zen out whenever you're with the relaxing blend of vetiver, chamomile, and sandalwood. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see if it relaxes me. My esthetician, Annie, that I go to all the time, actually has a spray that she puts on like the pillow and on like in the room when I go, and it smells very similar to this. It's really pretty. I like it. I probably wouldn't wear it as a scent to go out, like a perfume, but it would be nice to just, like it said, relax. You know, it's nice when you're home and calm, maybe like you get into the bath and put a little bit on and just kind of, you know what I mean? Okay, anyway. The next thing in here, ooh, it's a plush. Stay warm and stylish, ultra soft plaid scarf. Oh, this means this means that the cold weather is upon us. This is a scarf worth $75. Holy mackerel. Let's open it up. I know the weather is coming up, but I'm not ready for winter or fall yet. This is really pretty. I love plaid like this. Oh, it feels so nice. I have a Calvin Klein trench coat that this is going to look amazing with because my trench coat is kind of like this cream color. It's going to be so nice. Although I don't want to see you for another few months. Go away, scarf. This is a great box. This is a great, always FabFitFun is always giving us amazing choices, things we wouldn't buy for ourselves. I think that's what makes it such a great program, such a great service, you know, like we're always stuck buying the same things all the time. So this way you can buy things that you're not used to. Like they can choose them for you and you get some variation, but it's still surprising, you know? I love it. I really, FabFitFun. You guys, if you are interested in checking out FabFitFun, click my link in the description bar. This season was absolutely amazing. And yeah, I'm looking forward to sweaters, but not the cold, if that makes sense. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video, and thanks for stopping by. Bye, guys.